A record-breaking fat man, a church with a triangular tower, and an old steam tug on the river. What do they all have in common? They're all here. This is Maldon. I'm starting here at the grave of Edward Bright, better known as the Fat Man of Maldon. He lived in the 1700s and became famous across this country for his size. Famous enough that people made wagers about him. His story still quietly follows this town around. Look, Edward Bright, the Fat Man of Maldon. I found it. This is who we were talking about earlier. Edward Bright, 1721 to 1750. Maldon's famous fat grocer. He's supposed to be the biggest and weightiest man in the world. Died aged 29 on 10th of November 1750. Weighing 44 stone, that's 279 kilograms. On the 1st December 1750, a wager took place at the Black Bull in the High Street when 7 Maldon men were buttoned into his enormous waistcoat. Wow. Bit of history right there, I didn't expect. Right, I'm going to head on down to the waterfront now. It's right next door to the Continental Cafe, by the way. Right, I'm on my way down to the Hythe Quay. I'm going to check out the tugboat. The Steam Tugboat. Right, from here I'm heading down towards the water. That's something I really like about Maldon. You move from churchyards and stories straight into working river life. Got the Swan Hotel over there.
Let's go.
Look, a lovely restaurant, the Sark Maldon. Enjoying their lunch. There's a marine chandlery there. I've been shopping in that shop, buying bits and pieces for the boat. Got this place called the Sail Lofts, formerly known as Taylor and Sons, right on the quayside. These lovely hand-knitted scarf kind of things. Made in Maldon. Cash or card, they'll take. And this is the Queen's Head, right on the quayside, overlooking the barges. This is the Hythe Quay. This is the stretch of water that Maldon is known for. These Thames barges have been working these rivers for generations. They feel heavy, they look solid and well built. over here is a steam tug called Brent, a proper working tug from another era, still sitting on the water. I live on a boat myself, so a place like this always pull me in. Just a boating lake right along the side of the promenade.
Let's go.
Hello there.
Hello.
You finished for the day?
We've got there, I will.
Morning.
Morning.
And right down at the end of the promenade is the Statue of Byrhtnoth. It's looking out across the estuary towards where the Battle of Maldon took place. It's another reminder of how much history is tied to this river. Right, from here I'm heading back into town. That's the nice thing about Maldon. Everything loops back on itself. From here I'm just heading down the Fullbridge road, back towards the river. For me, Maldon isn't about big landmarks. It's these small details, the stories, the river, where everything connects. Thanks for walking with me.